Unlock the secrets your competitors don't want you to know. Today, we're turning the tables and mastering the game of competitor analysis. The topic of competitor analysis is super close to my heart. As an investor in multiple businesses and as a successful founder, I know firsthand just how important it is to track and analyze your competition. Failing to do so will almost certainly result in the failure of your business. Intro. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexej and I help founders scale. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I drop an episode once a week with insights from companies we work with, venture-backed, private equity-owned, or bootstrap businesses all around the world. In this episode, I'm going to share with you the 10 best practices for conducting competitor analysis, which have been invaluable to me as an entrepreneur. If you're excited to dive into the first best practice, go ahead and press that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We put a lot of energy and sweat into these videos, so that algorithm boost really helps us. Now, on position number 1, identifying your competitors. Embarking on competitor analysis begins with a clear identification of who you are up against. Direct competitors are those offering the same service or products as you, often within the same market space. Indirect competitors might not share the same product line but fulfill the same customer needs through an alternative solution. Utilizing a blend of digital tools, such as Google for broad searches, social media for real-time activities, industry reports for trends, and direct customer feedback for unfiltered opinions, provides a 360-degree view of your competition. This comprehensive approach ensures you're not missing out on any potential threats or opportunities. An example here is a local coffee shop, which might see another coffee shop as a direct competitor. But a nearby convenience store selling coffee could be an indirect threat, often overlooked in a less thorough analysis. Sun Tzu said, "Know your enemy and know yourself, and you can fight 100 battles without disaster." This emphasizes the importance of thorough knowledge in strategic planning and highlights the necessity of competitor analysis for success. On number 2, analyzing competitor strengths and weaknesses. A SWOT analysis, examining strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It offers invaluable insights into your competitors' operations. Strengths and weaknesses focuses on internal factors, what your competitors do well, such as customer service or product innovation, and where they lack, perhaps in marketing or distribution. Opportunities and threats look outward, identifying potential market shifts or emerging challenges they might face. An example is if a competitor is highly praised for an innovative product feature, but criticized for poor after-sales support, these are direct areas for you to capitalize on and differentiate your offerings. Now, in position number 3, we have evaluating competitors' offerings. Truly understanding what you're up against means experiencing your competitors' offerings firsthand. This immersive approach allows you to assess the quality, usability, and customer service experience from a consumer's perspective. It's about identifying what makes the products or services appealing to the target market and where gaps exist that your business can exploit. An example is purchasing a software subscription from a competitor can reveal strength in user experience design that you might incorporate into your product development yourself, while also highlighting weaknesses in customer support or feature limitations. Give you an anecdote to illustrate the transformative power of learning from and acting on competitors' innovations. Consider the story of Apple and Xerox. In the late 1970s, Steve Jobs visited Xerox's Palo Alto's research center, where he saw the first graphical user interface being used on a computer. This technology was revolutionary, but Xerox hadn't fully grasped its potential. Jobs, on the other hand, was inspired by what he saw and introduced the Apple's Lisa and later the Macintosh, both of which changed the face of personal computing by making it more user-friendly and accessible. This move not only set Apple on its path to becoming a tech giant, but also showcased the power of recognizing and acting on opportunities that competitors overlook. Now, if you learned something from that video already, and if you're still watching this, chances are you're still here, which is amazing. Please leave a yes in the comment section below. Now, the next method is conducting market research continuously. The marketplace is an ever-evolving ecosystem, with consumer preferences and competitive strategies constantly shifting. Continuous market research is vital to keeping your finger on the pulse of these changes. This involves regular analysis of competitors' operations, tracking their service updates, marketing efforts, and strategic pivots. Tools like Google Trends provide insights into search behavior trends, while industry forums and social media analytics offer a window into public sentiment and competitor activities. Engaging directly with your customer base through surveys and feedback mechanisms can also yield direct insights into how your offerings compare with competitors. Conferences and events are a great place to also meet employees from your competition and exchange insights in an informal way. Now, the next method to do competitor analysis is utilizing alerts for real-time monitoring. Staying ahead in today's fast-paced market requires real-time intelligence on competitor moves. Tools like Google Alerts provide instant notifications on competitor mentions, product launches, or strategic changes. This continuous stream of information allows you to react swiftly to market developments, adjusting your strategies to counter or capitalize on competitors' actions. An example is an alert about a competitor's new partnership could signal a shift in market dynamics, prompting you to explore similar strategic alliances. This level of monitoring acts as an early warning system, ensuring you're always prepared to respond to competitor threats and opportunities. Now, the next method on our list is learning from competitor successes and failures. Observing and analyzing competitor successes and failures offers valuable lessons without the direct cost of experience. This approach encourages you to adopt best practices that have proven successful while avoiding pitfalls that have tripped up others. A competitor's highly successful digital marketing campaign provides a blueprint for effective online engagement. Looking at ad libraries in Facebook, LinkedIn, or Google can give you insight what type of ads the business ran and even how much engagement it got. Many other platforms allow you to track down the ad creatives of your competitors too. Let's explore the critical importance of staying agile and learning from the market through a real-world example. In the early 2000s, Blockbuster had the chance to buy Netflix for a mere $50 million. Netflix was just a fledgling DVD rental service and Blockbuster was the giant of the industry. But Blockbuster laughed them out of the room. Fast forward, Netflix evolved, capitalizing on the digital streaming revolution while Blockbuster filed for bankruptcy in 2010. Netflix's keen observation of market trends and competitor underestimation led them to redefine entertainment and the entertainment industry overall. This story underscores the peril of dismissing emerging competitors and the necessity of adopting the industry innovation. The next point is adopting a strategy based on insight. The ultimate goal of competitor analysis is to inform and adapt your business strategies for competitive advantage. This involves taking the insights gathered from your research and applying them to refine your product development, marketing, customer service, and overall business approach. Jack Welch famously said, "Change before you have to." This quote highlights the importance of proactive adaptation and innovation in response to insights gained from competitor analysis, helping you to stay ahead of the curve. The next method is building relationships and continuous monitoring. Beyond the competitive analysis, fostering relationships within your industry can provide ongoing insights and opportunities for collaboration. Engaging with competitors at industry events, through professional forums, or in collaborative projects can offer a deeper understanding of market dynamics and strategic thinking. Continuous monitoring of the competitive landscape, leveraging tools and platforms to stay informed of competitor activities, ensures you're always equipped with the latest intelligence to inform your strategic decisions. This approach not only keeps you ahead of the curve, but also cultivates a network of industry relationships that can support mutual growth and learning. Now, moving on in our list, incorporating customer feedback into analysis. Customer feedback is critical and it's a super important component of competitor analysis, offering direct insights into how your offerings compare of those of your rivals. Example, consistent praise for a unique feature of your product highlights a competitive advantage, while recurring complaints about the service aspect might indicate an area where competitors are outperforming you. Incorporating this feedback into your analysis ensures your strategies are customer-centric, directly addressing the needs and preferences of your target market. On number 10, applying advanced analytical techniques, i.e. competitor analysis frameworks. For comprehensive understanding of the competitive landscape, advanced analytical techniques like Porter's 5 Forces and PESTLE analysis are invaluable. Porter's 5 Forces framework helps you assess the competitive intensity within your industry, examining factors such as the threat of the new entrants, the bargaining power of suppliers and customers, the threat of substitute products, and the intensity of competitive rivalry. PESTLE analysis expands this view by considering external macro-environmental factors that could impact your business, including political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental aspects. A PESTLE analysis might reveal emerging regulatory changes that will affect all industry players, offering a strategic opportunity to proactively adopt your operations to gain a competitive advantage. These frameworks provide a structured approach to analyze the competitive environment, enabling strategic decisions that are informed by a deep understanding of both direct competitive dynamics and a broader market force. Now, before I cover my bonus tip, please hit that like button. The bonus tip is all about monitoring the competition post-analysis. Merging deep analysis with ongoing vigilance is key in the ever-evolving business landscape. The crucial phase transforms insights into action, embedding a culture of perpetual adaptation and foresight. Here's the streamlined approach. First, establish a routine for active engagement with the competitor field. This means subscribing to competitors' newsletters and social media, offering a window into their strategies and market moves. Also make it a point to attend industry events, not just for networking, but to gather intelligence on trends and competitor behavior. Utilize competitive intelligence tools for regular updates on competitors' activities and market shifts. These tools help you stay informed without the constant manual effort, allowing for strategic adjustment in real time. As we wrap up our exploration of competitor analysis, let's reflect on the dynamic, chess-like approach that underpins all these strategies. Now, in chess, as in business, success hinges on your ability to think several moves ahead, anticipate your opponent's strategy, and adapt your tactics accordingly. This mindset of foresight, adaptability, and strategic maneuvering is what sets apart the masters from the novices. By viewing competitor analysis not just as a task, but as an ongoing strategic game, you position your business not only to respond to the current competitive landscape, but to anticipate and shape future developments. It's about making informed, proactive moves that ensure your business remains competitive, innovative, and aligned with market dynamics. So to take this chessboard of market competition and make your move with confidence, backed by the insights and strategies we've discussed today. So, to recap the 10 points: identifying your competitors, analyzing competitor strengths and weaknesses, evaluating competitor offerings, conducting market research. On position 5, continuously utilizing alerts for real-time monitoring, learning from competitors' success and failures, adapting your strategy based on insights, building relationships and continuous monitoring, incorporating customer feedback into analysis, and finally applying advanced analytical techniques. And then, as a bonus, I mentioned also to monitor the competition post the competitor analysis you conducted. Feeling better prepared for conducting a competitor analysis? In the last 4 years, we worked with more than 60 category-leading businesses, helped them to outperform the competition, and won multiple awards for doing so. We can help you analyze your competition and run an audit on your digital performance across your channels. Just book a call below. I drop an episode like this with strategies and concepts for your business once a week. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll get notified every single time I release an episode. If you have a fellow founder, a team member, if you're part of a Slack group, Telegram, or WhatsApp group with other founders that could get value from this video, please share this with them. I want to help as many founders scale as possible, and thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I'm Alexej, and I will see you in the next episode.